When it comes to just general health for the bladder, what are the biggest myths or misunderstandings about urinary health?
So I think that people don't understand that constipation is a huge deal. And I would spend 10% of my time talking to people about their bowels, even though they're here to see me about their bladders, because
Interesting.
they're very interconnected. And so bladder infections are part of it, incontinence is part of it, pain is part of it. So having like a good amount of fluid and a high fiber diet is really important for preventing colon cancer and preventing heart disease and managing diabetes, but it's also really important for your bladder health. And so I would put a plug in for that. And I would also say that your neighborhood physiotherapist, if you're having issues, is often your first and best stop, because those people can do an incredible amount of work, not only for coughing, sneezing, laughing, like stress incontinence, but also bladder retraining and helping with pain or pelvic floor problems. So do not be scared to visit your physio.
Last question before I let you go. Are the daily habits, are there daily habits that people can start now that will support long-term bladder and kidney health going forward in their life?
So yeah, it's all the boring stuff, eating lots of fruit and vegetables. I think the 8 cup of water thing is a myth, and I hope that people will not obsess about it, because I think people really are hard on themselves. And unless you form kidney stones or have some very specific medical problems, you should trust your kidneys, because your kidneys are incredibly um, well tuned organs that will tell you when you're thirsty and when you should listen to them. But you can trust your kidneys, they will look after you. Drink when you're thirsty and exercise
Salt,
if you can.
sugar?
Lots of fruit and vegetables. It's so boring.
Was salt and sugar bad? I couldn't remember if salts or pop, like soda, whatever the people in the States call it soda, we call it pop.
So pop is a bladder irritant, especially so. I would say that like Coke Zero, I don't things with both aspartame and bubbles, so like carbonation and caffeine, that is just like the elixir of an irritated bladder. So if you're having bladder irritation, try to get something that's not that.
And smoking as well.